Okay, welcome back once again to the next tutorial. Today's tutorial. Quickly, we are going to link all this sheet to the dashboard. We are going to link all the sheets to the dashboard. So this is what we are going to do in this tutorial. So quickly, we are going to link this sheet to the dashboard. So when we come to the dashboard, we look for student information list. Right click, go to hyperlink as we have done. Then select dashboard dashboard and press ok. So oh sorry, okay, let me remove the link. We are linking it to the dashboard rather, so hyperlink, then you select information, student information. So when you click, it will send you here, and then when you click on the dashboard, it will bring you back. But before we link all of them, let's quickly go back to the various sheets. Let's go to the student information list, and let's um, copy this particular that particular dashboard link that we have created. So we just click on it and Control C to copy. Okay, so we go to English, then we click somewhere here and we paste it. And so position it well. Good. Then we go to Maths, we do the same. Position it well, paste it and position it well. So that whenever you tap on that, it will just send you back to the dashboard. It will just send you back to the dashboard. Control V to paste, position it well. Go to O, Control V to paste and position it well. Go to RM, Control V to paste, position it well, so that whenever you tap on it, to send you back to the dashboard. Control V to paste and so position it well. Ghanaian language, Control V to paste and position it well. History, Control V to paste. Sorry, cancel. Okay, so always right click and position it well. The link is already in it, so if you tap on it straight, it will send you back to the dashboard. So you have to just right click so that you can move it, so position it well. Okay, so I think that is also, let me click on it to go back, and we have already inserted this link over here. So let's go to the other side. So you go to English, you click on it, you right click, you go to hyperlink, then this place in this document, you look for English, double click, you go to Maths, you do the same thing. So Maths, sorry, I've tapped on English rather. If you make mistake, it means when you click on Maths, it will send you to the English sheet. So Maths, good. So Science, good. Hyperlink, oh right, good. RME, RME, good. RME. Then we have computing, computing. Wow, we didn't create computing sheet, so I will leave the computing quickly. Let's move on to the other ones and do it. Then later on, we'll go and create a computing sheet and we'll fix it. So Ghanaian language, double click. History, 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 double click. Have we done of creative arts? Wow, we didn't create a tab for creative art. Okay, creative art is here. So then creative arts, double click. Good, good, good. So now, as you can see, when we tap, we go to English. Tap, you go to mathematics. Tap, you go to science. Tap, you go to RME. Tap, you go to creative arts. Good, good, good. Tap, you go to student information list. Okay, so this is report analysis sheet. So report analysis sheet. Let's move on to report. Double click. Good. You tap, you go to report analysis sheet. Okay, good, 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 good. So we are good to go. We are good to go. We are good to go. So the computing, we didn't create a sheet for computing. So quickly, let's move here and let's bring one of the sheets. So first and we'll do the control key and just drag so that okay this sheet should come before the so that okay so quickly let's tap on it and let's edit it. So this will be computing. Good. So you edit here to computing. So computing one. Good. So now computing is also okay. So now let's insert the link here so that it can take us to the computing sheet tab. Good. The computing. Good. So as for these ones, this is tutorial, so I'm not going to do it for here and here. So you are going to do it immediately. You are able to do it for one class. You don't have any problem. Just copy and paste all this and just edit the headings, and that is all. Then you come and just insert it into all these things, and then voila, you are good to go. So I'm not going to do for basic 2 and basic 3. You have to sit down and do it on your own as and when you have time. Good. So now we have created all these, we are done, we have our tabs and everything to do. So now let's fix in formulas. So let's quickly go to the English sheet. We have to pick our English, the English. We have to pick all the information, the names from the student information. So we click on student information, let's tap on it, then double click to autofill. Good. Then we go to class, we click on it, then go to student information list. Okay, so with this the class, we are going to do something. You just tap on it first, but what we are going to do is we are going to um, lock this cell. We need to lock this particular cell, so just highlight and press F4. Good. So it's going to lock all this. So it means that when you go back and you select a subject. Let's say for instance the person is in basic 1. So immediately select it. If you don't type anything over here, when we go back to the English, you see that that's the same thing all over there. Good. It's the same thing. So we have locked that particular cell. So it means the teacher don't need to just go and type it one after the other over here. When you type it in the first cell, you are good to go. Okay. So English. Okay, so now the next thing that we are going to do is we have to add all over here and print it over here. So just equal to sum and you open brackets. Yes, open brackets equal to sum, open brackets, open brackets. Then you come and select all these cells. Just select these cells. Select these cells. Good. So then close the bracket. Then you hit enter. Just hit enter. And voila, just double click to autofill. So automatically. So whenever you enter any figures here, it's just going to add them up for you. Good. You see as you are doing. So let's delete them. Good. It goes back to okay. So now we're going to multiply this cell by 50%, so equal to 0.5, that is 50%. Control a shift 8 to get the asterisk, then you select the cell, then you hit enter. Good. Then voila, the failed. Good. So your exams, you are going to enter it manually. Here too, we have to find 50% of the exam. So just like as we did, equal to, then you go to dot 5, then control 8 for the asterisk, then you select this cell, then you hit enter, then you autofill. Good. Then here is 50%, so here we are going to do manual equal to this cell, shift plus the equal sign, give you the plus sign, and this cell, we are adding them together, hit enter. Good. You autofill. So now you see that the system is up and running. So now when we come here, now let's do one thing over here. Let's validate this cell. So just select the cell, or first you can just select the first cell or just select all of them, then go to data, then you go to data validation. Just tap on it and go to data validation. So here you want the cell to 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 accept whole numbers. So here it is 0, 0, and the maximum is 30. So we are telling the computer that you should accept this figure, only this figure. So you just give the input a title. So this is test 1, test 1. Okay. Then the message that you want it to appear when you put the cursor on is that enter value enter value from 0 to 30. So that is the information. Then when the person enters a figure that is not correct, you say error. Then you say enter correct value. Good. This is the information that we want us. Okay, so as you can see, we have validated this. So immediately you put the cursor. This is what enter value from 0 to. So let's try and enter a figure that is more than 30. So you see it has given you a enter correct value. Okay, so that is it. So you do same here. So this cells and this cell are the same. So let's validate it accordingly. Okay, good. So we come to settings, we go to whole numbers. So this is 0, and the maximum is 20. Good. So we go to input, you write. Okay, so let's give it a title, group work. Okay, group work. We'll edit the other one, group work. Good. We say enter value from 0 to 20. Good. 0 to 20. Then the error alert is error. Then we tell the person that you should enter correct value. Okay, good. So we are good to go. Okay, so here to it will be group work. So let's just edit it. Let's just select this cell and just edit the group work, only the group work. Okay, so we come to message, then here we just edit the group work and make it projects. Good. Then we do same for the last one. You validate this cell too. Okay, so settings, you go to whole number and 0 to 30. Good. Input test 2. Okay, and then enter value from 0 to 30. Good. Then we go to error. Okay, sorry, error. Then enter correct value. Good. So we are good to go. Okay, so you can validate this place too. So you tell the person to so and so validate the same thing. So you can do the same thing. I don't to prolong this video. So just like as we have done over here, we're going to do same for all the sheets. We're going to do the same for all the sheet, the other sheet. Just do the same thing. I'm not going to prolong the video because whatever we have done here is the same thing that we are going to do for all the sheet. So I'll pause the video, or I'll stop over here for this lesson and we'll continue later on. So keep doing it. Just do for the other subjects. When we come to the next tutorials, then we continue from there. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.